Okay, it's November 19, year 2011. It's already 12:30 noon, okay? Still lots of people here. You can see we have lots of old-timer here. Dennis!
Reunion.
We have a reunion here, Yan si Sunny, Sunny! And Jet! There!
Hanapin yan.
Para saan ba yan?
Jet!
Anong dyaryo yan?
Si Mel!
330 yung dulo mo?
Oo, wala na.
Wala na to.
Erwin! Uy, kumpleto tayong dalawa. Di ba? Mag-partner tayo. Erwin, Jet, and Elion, and si Tristan. Kulang na si Tristan.
Huwag ka mga isama yun.
Ha?
Magagalit ka.
Ano yung galit? The Jet Show. We are the pioneer in the Jet Show, guys. See, we're complete here. That's me. There's Jet. Okay, there's Erwin. And there's another old timer sila, Joel. Joel. There, that's Joel Pahe.
Very old timer.
Very old timer.
Tama ka na dyan eh, kung may video 1990.
Kompleto kami The Jet Show engineer.
Aero Eye. Presidente lang ang wala ng Aero Eye. Ayun yung founder ng Aero Eye.
Ha? Paano na yan? Ha?
Founder talaga. Ayun ang founder.
Kompleto no?
Yung original Aero Eye talaga. Ano ko sa yanan sa'yo? Di ba wala yung meron kang Di ba meron kang
Kompleto
kaibigan mo yun.
Let's punta tayo dito, this side, yeah. There's Mang Ed. Mang Ed, there's Mang Ed. Yeah, I'll post it in YouTube. By the way, Mang, I guess you are the oldest
72. Flyer.
Ed is already 72 years old.
Yes.
There, still flying his Ski-Doo inverted.
I started flying last December, last year.
Yeah, last year started just last December only. That's less than a year.
Less than a year, yeah.
See? That's Edgar Silverio. He used to own a Corona radio during the 80s.
Yeah.
Crown Motors.
And Crown Motors,
All timers can still do it.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's easy. Just practice with simulator.
Tingnan mo na to sa YouTube. Post ko na sa YouTube to.
And you can do it.
Yeah, and the oldest timer of old timers, Jose, Mang Jose. Mang Jose, how old are you?
65.
65, and Mang Jose is 65, and I'm already almost 50. I'm 1963. That's 48. No, 48. Stretch. There's Stretch. Yeah, the Stretch. Okay, you'll appreciate this video after 20 years. Pag mga lolo-lola na kayo, tingnan ninyo. Uy, matutuwa kayo, parang video ko 1991, no?
Oo nga eh. Yung
Diba?
ano bang title nun?
Sports Life yata yun eh.
Sports Life.
1991.
Buhay pa yung mga tao dun eh, no?
We have pictures yung Jose sa helicopter, the Huey. And this is my helicopter, the MD-500. Almost trashed last week. And there's Jose, look like this is a MD-500, but the body is designed by Kyosho, ba? EP Kyosho. And the chassis, Jose has installed the old T-Rex, old T-Rex, Okay, that's about it. See you in YouTube.
Pagka natakot ka nang bumababa, kinurek mo ng sobra-sobra. Tepo, di ba?
Okay, it's November 19, year 2011. We're here in the UP field. Okay, show you at our back is a more than 20 years old helicopter. Okay, our last flight here is 1991 in UP Sunken Garden. Okay, you will look at our video. Now after 20 years, we're going to fly this helicopter again. It's made by Hirobo. It's a gasoline engine. It's owned by my buddy, Jose Chua. There. Jose, tingin sa camera. There. Remember him? That's Jose Chua, okay. It's a very old helicopter. It's a Huey. Made by Hirobo. Okay, we are now filling it with the gasoline engine. Gasoline. Yeah. This is really old. More than 20 years old. I'll show you how it looked like there. Yeah, look at the engine. I also have a Huey, the Hirobo 30 size, but unfortunately it's trash. There, look at the tail linkage.
Eh, mama, oh.
Looks vintage, huh?
Ayaw magpalit saan natatapos. Wala, lipat mo yung ano mo yan.
Sabi mo, nakatil.
Huh?
Nakatil.
Okay, by the way, Jose has adjusted the main rotor. There. The main rotor is now, they modified it. The main rotor is perpendicular to this tail boom, okay? There. Before modification, it's the main rotor is perpendicular to the floor of the helicopter, okay? So let's see what's the improvement.
Asa yung programmer?
Okay, shall we fly it, Jose?
Ano mo na, pa-after nito?
Over lang eh.
Yeah, we'll just hover it. Okay, just look at the sound. Galing. Ay, shit. Very huge, huh? Ay, hilain mo. Kulang sa hila. Antena. And still using the old 90 HP. Up. Ha? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko nasilip eh. Silipin mo. Teka. Wala ba? Oh! Layo! Ang lapit! Ang lapit ka, nakakatakot! Nakakatakot tatayo. Ang lapit eh. Layo sa tracking ah. Malayo sa tracking. Malayo in tracking. Ah. Adjust mo yung tracking. Ayun na tayo. Takot eh. Mukhang okay naman eh. Mukhang okay.
Puro nervous.